Okay guys, this box is top secret. So secret, in fact, the person it's meant for hasn't even seen it yet. But we got our hands on it and we're opening it first. And today we're not just going to see what's inside. I am going to spill all the secrets on the strategy and real reasons why these specific pieces were chosen. This is a complete behind the scenes look, so let's do this. I heard that we had an influencer package going out today and I was able to get my hands on it for us to look at. This is very exciting for me because I know a little bit about our influencer program here at JTV, but I, like many of you, want to know more about how it works and what it's all about. I've never seen inside of one of these boxes, so it's new for me too. Okay, I cannot wait to see what's inside here. Ooh, okay, this actually looks a lot like our giveaways. If you've ever won one of our social media giveaways, you will recognize this. Have the note, ooh, and then all of this jewelry packaged so nicely in cute little bags. Then a little packing here. It's so pretty. I love the presentation of it. The presentation is a big part of it. It's your first impression of the pieces. So when you open up the box and you see it laid out all nice, you just have such a great feeling going into it. So the first thing right when you open the box, you see this beautiful cardstock note. Let me cover up the name here, but it's a little note to the influencer from our influencer coordinator, Natalie. And it's personalized to this particular influencer. It's not just a copy and paste, because JTV, we really see our influencers as people, not just numbers, not just on a spreadsheet. They're not robots, they are people. And that's what makes influencers so successful, and that's what makes you like an influencer, is them being a person. So I love this little touch. And also, again, if you ever win one of our giveaways, you'll get one of these as well. Now, let's get to what everyone's waiting for, the jewelry. It's in these cute little bags, these little blue, JTV blue bags, and they're in these little cards with a JTV sticker on them. I love it. It's kind of like opening a present. All right, let's talk about this one first. It's this super delicate bow pendant. It's in 18 karat gold over silver, and the way you can tell quickly is there should be a stamp on your piece with the type of metal that it is. It can be kind of hard to see, it's very small. And then it has a beautiful Singapore chain. I always say that an upgraded chain with extra detail is how you know that a lot of thought and time went into the design of a necklace. Okay, and then you have the bow pendant. It's this beautiful station setting, and to me, this looks like our Bella Luce collection with white cubic zirconia stones. Bella Luce is an incredible line by JTV. It's got a wide variety of designs, from classic pieces to more trendy ones like this. I'll make sure that we put a link up in the corner here so you can check out the entire collection for yourself. This piece is so sparkly, it's so brilliant. The way that it's faceted is incredible. It catches the light from every angle. This design is super trendy and youthful and fun. It's the kind of thing that you could wear with a plain white t-shirt to make your whole outfit pop, or with a little black dress. It's super versatile, which is perfect for a box like this because it really lets the influencer style it in their own unique way. It feels lightweight but solid. You can really feel the quality here. It's just gorgeous. So next we have a pair of earrings. These are a classic piece. It's that drop style earring with the classic round white stone, again from our Bella Luce line. These are also set in 18 karat gold over silver. They're so sparkly. I love how you have more detail on the back of the stone. It seems like this box is for a creator who likes classic styles with a fun and trendy twist. Because so far we have two pieces that you can really wear every day or add to more formal looks. So next we have another necklace, and this one is just beautiful. So we've had one super trendy necklace, and then you have this modern but oh so elegant piece. It's incredible. Again, from our Bella Luce line. It seems to me like this influencer box is intended to show the versatility of our Bella Luce jewelry and how much it has to offer. I think this is my favorite piece so far. It's a station setting and kind of a charm setting at the same time. It's also a multi-row necklace with mixed shape cubic zirconia stones, which are just so dazzling. This is pure glam. It's the perfect size too. Big enough to get noticed, but not so big that you can't wear it during the day. This is the kind of thing that you put on and you just feel so beautiful and elegant. A creator could make an entire get ready with me video centered around this one necklace alone. It's absolutely incredible and just stunning. So now we have another pair of earrings, and these fit really well into the style that we already have going on here. It's great that you can see that these aren't just some random pieces thrown into a box. It's intended for someone to show off their own personal style and show you how JTV can fit into your life as well. We have more drop earrings here. They're super trendy with this asymmetrical design and pear-shaped stones. And I'm gonna take these off to show you something that I just noticed. I think that these come apart. That's really cool. Like you get two earrings in one because you can wear them as the classic pear-shaped stud earring, or you can then just add on the drop to it to make it super trendy and fun and sparkly here. That's just so cool. You don't see that every day. Like I love that they come apart and give you two ways to wear them. That's really fun, and they also have that classic Bella Luce sparkle. Just incredible. And this is the perfect way to round out this box because you can see that this creator has a strong sense of personal style and knows what they like. And this box is just showing you how JTV can work for you as well. So you've seen all the jewelry, and obviously it's gorgeous, but the thing that separates a successful influencer campaign from just a box of free stuff is the why. How do we decide what goes into the box and who gets it? I'm talking to Natalie, our social media and influencer coordinator, to get all the details. Thank you so much for talking to me, Natalie.
Of course.
This box is beautiful, but everybody really wants to know, what is the goal behind an influencer campaign?
So basically the main goal is for everybody to know about JTV a little bit more because we offer such a wide variety of every type of jewelry that really you could even imagine, from gemstones to just silver, and we really want everybody to be able to find something regardless of their age and style.
So how important is the aspect of influencer marketing into the broader marketing of JTV, or really anywhere?
I think that influencer marketing is probably one of the biggest ways that we reach new people because word of mouth is so strong. It always has been, but I think it's even extra strong with the layer of social media now.
That makes total sense. And these pieces are beautiful. I can tell that you picked these out based on someone's specific personal style. They're all different, but they work together so well and it feels so intentional. So can you talk a little bit about that?
Absolutely. Right when we find the influencer, we go through picking out what their personal style is versus what we have. And because we offer such a wide variety, it's really easy to go through all their posts, their stories, everything that they offer matches up with what we have. So it's really fun to pick out stuff that I'm like, oh, this girl wears silver jewelry a lot. She wears stuff that has hearts. She has dogs. We have dog jewelry. Stuff like that is really easy to tailor what they love versus what we have that I love as well. We also make sure to curate every single box with the influencer that we're working with because we want it to be a surprise for them as much as it is their followers.
Exactly. And I love that you can tailor this to this influencer's personal style, and it tells their audience that you can tailor that to your personal style as well.
Absolutely. It's a lot of fun when they get their items and then you can see the joy on their faces that, oh my gosh, how did they know that I love gold? How did they know that I have a dog? How did they know this or that? Like even down to their birthstones, or if they have children or stuff like that, you can really tailor in all their details, so it's really nice.
And that kind of brings me to my next question. I know with influencers, it's really important that we don't see them as like a number on a spreadsheet. They're real people. So can you talk a little bit about choosing pieces and working with them to choose pieces?
Absolutely. So basically what I do is I send out a broad generic email or reach out to them through our social platforms, letting them know who we are, what we do, and that we'd love to work with them. And then I basically just let it take off from there. So then once they respond to me that they're so excited to work with us, or they've heard about us before and they can't wait, or they love jewelry, usually I fill out like a little questionnaire of, oh, do you like big earrings? Do you like small? What kind of bracelets do you like? And I really just get more information from them. And then I ask them to pick out pieces, usually 5 to 10 that they like, and then I spread off from there versus what they get and what they actually want, stuff like that.
I love that they get to pick out some of their own pieces, but then they have kind of like a little personal shopper with you.
Exactly. It's a lot of fun for me too, because basically I get to see what they like and what we offer and just mix it together and just get a really good surprise for them.
That's a great approach. And now the really hard question, how do you find the right influencer for JTV?
So we go about it a little bit of a different way. Rather than focusing on like if you have any viral posts, if you have a whole lot of followers, the main thing that we focus on is that you match our brand and you have a true community of people that you care about what you do, and then you care about your followers and what you show to them. So it's less of a, oh, they like working with brands, oh, they have a ton of followers. It's more, I want to know who you are, what you like, and what you want your followers to like. When we take on a new influencer, we really want to make sure that these people are truthful in everything that they do and very authentic. And it's very important to remember that the people that we're choosing is also a representation of our brand. You should always remember that if we trust them, you should trust them too.
Now, Natalie, what do you want this influencer's audience to feel when they open this box?
So I want them to really feel that we're also a part of their community now, and that when they open that, they're understood by JTV, and that we understand like the place they are in their life, that no matter where they are, we can fit seamlessly with them. Like, we're not just jewelry, we're a part of you now. We also want them to know that it's not just for them, but it's for their specific community. So like if we know they like their bows or their dogs, we know that their community understands that, and then usually they have something that resonates with them too. So it's not just for our influencer, it's for our influencer and their found family as well.
Once somebody sees these pieces from their favorite influencer who they trust, how can they go and shop JTV jewelry?
So first, we send all of our influencers curated links to all the products that they get, along with leaving them highlighted on our profile. But in the link in our bio, we also have that As Seen on Social page, so it has everything we send them, stuff that we think is trending really highly on social media, and then anything from our social team that we like a lot.
How fun. That's a great idea. We're gonna make sure to link that up in the corner for you so you can go check that out and shop there as well. Now, Natalie, I love that you also include a personalized note in these influencer boxes.
Yeah, so the main purpose of the note is just to once again show that we are here not only as a brand, but someone that we want to be with, and you to think of, oh, I have an event coming up, maybe I can get some jewelry. Oh, it's my best friend's birthday soon, I know just where to go. And so we really want to resonate that we're people too, and that we'd love to be there with you throughout your journey, because JTV really is not just for you, but it's a whole community for everyone you love, everyone you know as well.
Exactly, where it's about people, not numbers. It's not an ad, it's a recommendation from your friends.
Absolutely. That's one of the main reasons we try to work with micro influencers a lot, because their community is just so true, it's so authentic, and they really care about what they're showing their people. It's not just a selling point, it's really stuff that will resonate with them. Like, for example, one of our favorite influencers that we've worked with probably the longest, she just announced that she was pregnant. So we're sending her like a little package full of some stuff because we really care about them and we want them to know that we're here for them through their journey wherever it takes them.
That's beautiful. Okay, Natalie, this is so interesting, and I think it's a lot more complex than most people would assume. Now I have another question for you. What advice would you give to an aspiring creator or an influencer who wants to work with brands such as JTV?
I mean, honestly, I would say just be yourself, because it's very obvious. Like, if I'm scrolling on social media and I see an influencer that I know or I don't know, I can tell when they're being authentic. And I think it's really important to believe that numbers aren't everything. And if you're being honest and making a true community, brands will be able to tell that. And I mean, our DMs are always open and we'd love to hear from you guys, so just keep that in mind.
So there you have it, not just a peek inside of a JTV influencer box, but the strategy behind how it all comes together. You can see it's not just about pretty jewelry, it's about storytelling, connection, and of course, a lot of sparkle. Now we have 2 questions for you. Which piece of jewelry from this box was your favorite? And what part of this whole process surprised you the most? Let us know down in the comments. And make sure that you subscribe for more behind the scenes looks at JTV. We'll see you next time.